What do you want to be? Well, that's a hard question. Maybe you're not sure yet. I mean, most people aren't. One thing is certain, you can't limit yourself to being only one thing. Here at the Masters in Intercultural and International Management at Université Paris-Nanterre, start as a student and become a professional. What are you looking for? Business development maybe? Sales, marketing, communication? Learn how to negotiate and how to communicate professionally in 3 different languages. Learn things you'll always remember. And meet people you'll never forget. You can study here, and there, or even there. Make a difference. Don't be afraid. Here, we train high-level trilingual students that can adapt to different environments. Become a manager. Join M2i.